So I'm Asha and I take care of marketing in AMI. He's Mr. Shiva. He's the unit head for sales and marketing. AMI, we are a 25-year-old IT company. We are pioneers in BIOS. We boot close to 500 million computers worldwide. So except Mac, most of the computers run because of our BIOS. So we are more like Intel Inside kind of a concept. And we are pioneers in embedded storage solutions, mobile applications. We have a lot of other software solutions, remote management systems and all. And we have been coming to the Apollo conference for almost 5 years now. We have been one of the partners in THIT every year. And we also have our own medical devices which are launched few years back, and they are used more to measure various vital parameters for home care or for the hospitals or for remote care, telemedicine. So, and the best part is those are designed and manufactured in India, even though we are headquartered in US. And yeah, it's a US based company. We are there in 8 locations globally. So we are there in Japan, China, India, Germany, US, Taiwan, Korea, and all those places.
The very thing goes like one, this is a connect that we can establish with our customers. Very importantly with the healthcare, and since we have around health solutions around healthcare, right from our hardware, software, IoT kind of this thing. So we are in the latest technology. So we are even in a position to provide or showcase our solution to the healthcare industry, and see our more branding and see our presence in the with more reach in the market. That's what we are looking at.
All these devices what you have seen are designed and manufactured in India. So we are part of the Made in India initiative of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So this is one of the key elements in that actually. And the storage solution what you see, or the feedback management system, have been used by a lot of organizations in India. So AMI India focuses more on the Indian market. So that's the reason we have the presence in global. So that particular team takes care of that particular market. So all our solutions cater more to the Indian market in AMI India.
So as Asha was pointing out, we are a 30-year-old organization. We are in the field of high-tech engineering solutions, providing hardware, software. Basically, I would say we are a number one firmware embedded systems company in the world. So that's how it is. And our flagship products include AMI BIOS. You talk about, we hold something like 70%, more than 70% market share in the BIOS market. And our business has been traditionally in the B2B, into more of a OEM technology provide to most of the computer manufacturers. In one way or the other, they are our customers. So that's the way. So now we have come out with recent years, we have come out with the B2C product line. If you look at storage, it's it's an end user product. Okay, we have come out as an end user product. Likewise, healthcare, we were doing a lot of innovations around healthcare, and we are part of the Tricorder X Prize competition, global competition. And Asha can throw some light on that.
The competition is it's a $10 million global competition. X Prize challenges the world to do something that no one has done yet. And the theme of this competition is, if you have seen the Star Trek series, the Star Trek movies and all the spaceship concepts, they have something called a tricorder in the spaceships, which they just flash like this and gives you the body vital parameters. So basically this competition is, you have to create something like that actually works, and it has to diagnose close to 15 medical conditions, including sleep apnea, atrial fibrillation, your body temperature, blood pressure. Yes, so what you're seeing, this is something that we have designed for that, and this will replace all the conventional methods. So this can do your BP, temperature, hemoglobin, glucose, cholesterol, this small thing. This is our tricorder, we call as a medical tricorder. So there is a camera here, so that can measure the urine analyzer. This device is the urine analyzer, so you can keep on top of it, and it tells you have UTI, that is urinary tract infection, leukocytosis. We have our chest ECG, which can find out the atrial fibrillation, which is nothing but your stroke, and this also acts as a pedometer, so it can count your steps. And there's an audio jack, you listen to music. All in one. We are coming out with a miniaturized version of this, and there were close to 300 entrants to this competition, and across the globe, all John Hopkins, Harvard, Berkeley kind of big universities, and PhDs and HTC kind of companies. We are proud to say that we are the only company who entered top 25 from India, and we are in top 5 right now. We are racing towards top 3, and we recently won an award from Qualcomm, which is a milestone award. It was a $50,000 price check money that we have received from them to make sure that these devices work. That's what we have shown right now. It's been in trials in UCST in California, so the trials are going on, and this is an FDA panel is there in this. So if we get into top 3, it's more like we will make India proud. Yes, we are a Chennai-based organization. So every year I've been telling DHIT, everywhere time we go to Kolkata, Hyderabad, Bangalore, I'm like, home ground please at least once. So we are very happy this time it's happening. And I could see there are a lot of changes in the conference this year. We could see more participants, we could see more delegates, we could see the traction is different, the quality of standard has improvised a lot. The platform seems to be much more valuable. So we are hoping that it just keeps improving every year.